Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I just noticed that a lot of people, specifically 1200 people, 1200 people per month has been searching out how to track website traffic. So this is what I want to share with you in this video, because not a lot of people are talking about this right now, and I know that if you're building your own internet thing or doing something online, that you might not know about this type of thing. You might know about an autoresponder and having a website and things like that there, but really what you need is your main central hub or your traffic dashboard, where you can see all what's going on and be able to track your traffic all from one central place. So I'm going to answer the question of how do you track website traffic in this video, and I'm going to show you a resource of where you can go and be able to do this for yourself. So I'm the founder of CameronLimitless.com, and what I've done was I made a resources page. So if you head to CameronLimitless.com in your own time and go to resources page, I'm also going to leave the links below in this video to all the resources I'm going to explain in this video as well. So you can see that these are my hand selected resources that I highly recommend, and basically what these I'm in the business of affiliate marketing, so I'm doing this like a little review video and show you exactly what this kind of software is like. Now there's different ones out there as well that you can use, and I've used different ones. So this is hands down one of the better ones in my opinion. It's super simple to use and you can get things done pretty quickly, and it's been about for plus 10 years, and the guy who invented it, founded this company, he actually made it for himself, and then he's allowing other people to use it as well. So he's been online for a long time and he's used these strategies for himself. So what I'm going to show you is the 1 hour tracking guide, then I'll show you inside the software. So I opened up the tracking guide here, and just when you click the link below for the tracking guide, you'll come to this page and you can get the 1 hour tracking guide. So what you can see inside the guide is track it or die trying, which is very true. And while your tracking isn't terribly sexy, alright, it is one of the only real secrets to winning online. So if you don't know how to track your traffic, you're almost certainly doomed, my friend. Okay, because if you don't know where your traffic's coming from, what traffic's converting, what pages are converting, like, you're never going to be able to optimize your business and be able to grow and scale. So you ideally want to have a tracking software in place. If you decide to use a free one, which I don't encourage you to do, my friend, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. For all the price it is to use this tracking tool, you know, it's pretty much a no-brainer, especially if you're serious about being online. So you're going to want to embody that track it or die trying, my friend, if you're into this internet thing like I am, and a whole bunch of other marketers love this side of it. And it's really, really cool whenever you start to learn about being able to track and optimize your internet business, because you can see people coming from here, this page is converting very well, people are clicking through here, and all these different types of things. So it says here, part 2 in the tracking guide is just these 3 things. Discover 3 specific things in your business that you should be tracking and optimizing to dramatically increase your profits. So this is the direct result of being able to track your traffic, is you're going to end up with increasing your profits overall, or even improving your business as well. So you're going to want to make sure and you're tracking everything, my friend. Okay, so part 3 is conversion tracking. So tracking your conversions is priority 1. Here's how to track opt-ins, calls, appointments, sales, and other actions in your business. So you're going to see that in part 3 of the PDF below. Then in part 4 it says tracking affiliate sales. It's a bit tougher as an affiliate, which means it's also a huge opportunity to gain a competitive edge, so a competitive advantage. So it shows you inside, I'm going to show you inside the knowledge base and things like that there, and it will show you all these different tutorials of how you do it and set it up. Any questions that you have, they've got 1 hour support, and they've got a great community there as well, with people who are all using this software and helping each other out. Now here it is, here in part 5, it says you can really get fancy with this stuff, but even basic testing and optimization can literally double your business. So there's a few specific key indicators in your business, and you're going to be able to track all this here while using this software, and you can dramatically increase your bottom line and things like that. So a lot of you might use Google Analytics, and you know that Google Analytics doesn't track really 100%, and you might see visitors on your site that aren't even real visitors, or you could buy traffic from someone else and they could be sending you fake clicks, and you'll never know that if you're not using a tracking software, my friend. You end up you're going to end up going backwards and losing a whole bunch of money if you're not using this type of software. Alright, my friend. So really great software that has really helped me get better with this whole internet thing and stuff like that there. So I'm going to log in to my ClickMagick account here, and just ignore this here customers and revenue. I've only recently built my own sales funnel that I haven't really started pushing out to the marketplace yet. But this is irrelevant, but you can see pretty much a quick glance over the past few days and that there. Now what you can do is, if you go to links, I'm going to show you how simple it is. But links is basically where you're going to create your tracking links, and inside, say for an example of a link, we'll click on this one for example. Inside each specific link you can do a lot of different things. So say for an example you're going to be running a traffic campaign, so you might want to set this up as a funnel entry link. So if you set it up as a funnel entry link, then you can just go, is this a funnel entry link? Yes, boom, you can tick that yes. Also, if you're in affiliate marketing and you don't have control over the sales page, you can actually embed remarketing pixels and even conversion pixels and things like that, engagement pixels, into the actual link and things like that here, so you can actually track and build a remarketing audience of people who actually seen a sales page that you don't own, which is really cool. There's the funnel entry links as well. Then you'll be able to put in your traffic cost and what it is it daily, cost per sale, cost per action, cost per click. All this here, you can put this into there. Also in URLs, you can have a backup URL in case the main one that you're sending traffic to goes down. It'll automatically redirect it to one that's up and a different link of your choice. If mobile clicks come in, you can redirect mobile clicks to different places, iOS clicks to different places, repeat URL. So if someone comes in the first time and they see the offer, and then maybe you've got a limited time bonus or something like that there that's gone in so long, the next time if they come around and click, then they'll go sent to a different offer and things like that here. So that's really cool. Also, you can do geo-targeting, so you can include and exclude countries. So say if you include certain countries, then all the clicks will go there, and then any other clicks will go to your backup URL, which is really cool. Also, don't get overwhelmed with this, my friend. It's really simple to use, but when you get inside the software, it'll say here stuff like tracking links, and you can click here and it'll bring up a little video, and it'll show you in the video all the different parts of what I'm kind of explaining here now and how you use that there for yourself. So I'm going to close this down just for now, because you can watch that video on your own time. That anything that you've got questions about using this here, you've got 1-hour support and the help, and then you've got knowledge base as well. So then you can filter clicks and all. So say abuser clicks, you can block them, you can do nothing, you can flag them, all this different type of stuff. Bot clicks, you can block bot clicks, things like this. Spiders, block spiders, mystic, max clicks. So you can have set a password up on this link, so if someone visits the link, that might be password locked, so then they have to type in the password and things like that, which is super cool. And then there's a whole bunch of other stuff else you can do is you can check out your click breakdown, you can create sub ID stats, you can see your traffic quality. So say if we click on traffic quality for now, ideally you want your traffic quality to be at the top here around 85, and that's really good quality traffic. Most of it will be tier 1, but for me here now it's saying 47, which is not the best traffic. So ideally you want to have all tier 1 traffic, and it'll keep it up around 85, which is good. Then what else you can do here, as I'm going to show you, is you can see your traffic analytics breakdown. There's a whole bunch of stuff. You can also set up, I'm going to show you here now, you're going to see when it comes up, if we open that, split testing. So you're going to be able to set up split testing, and you can split test as many different variations of a landing page that you want and things like that there, which is really great. When it comes to doing all this here, it's very important to be split testing. You can get link notifications, and you can add and import revenue and things like that there. You can edit the link, you can archive it and things like that. So what I want to point out to you here is in the tools, is what you're going to want to do is set up a custom tracking domain. Now when you go to domain manager, you can go through that way and then learn how to create and set up your own custom tracking domain. You're going to want to have that own domain. Then if you go to knowledge base, you can just simply type in custom domain, and then it'll bring up custom domain. It'll say how to create a secure custom tracking domain. You can click on that there, and also it has videos and little articles about all different questions that you might have using the software. But then as well, on top of that, this is just in the knowledge base, you've got the 1 hour support as well there as well, which helps out a lot if you ever needed it, or if you had any questions as well. If you ever had any improvements that they could do on the software, you can always let them know, and usually sometimes that they implement that stuff or they help you out, and hopefully try and sort that out kind of thing out for you. So other things that you can track in here is if you're using specific, if you're actually sending traffic to a specific vendor or somewhere, you can actually have like one link, and then it's kind of like a little rotator. So I just kind of set this up the other day and put in 2 URLs, but it's over in Spillover, so you've got all different options in there, and also in the rotators you can click, and then it teaches you all about how you use rotators and things like that. A big one which is really cool is if you're going to be tracking any Google ads. Now you might be doing Google ads and you notice that in search campaigns you can put a tracking link, but in other campaigns and ads you can't put a tracking link. Google doesn't like it. They kind of won't have that main URL that's going to be the landing page URL, and then they won't approve your ad. So what this click tracking software has done is they've created the ability to be able to track through any Google ads or anywhere that you might not need to be able to use a custom tracking link. You're going to have to use the domain that you're going to be promoting. So here you can learn all about that stuff, and you're able to track all types of Google ads because of the way this here campaigns is set up. So you've got campaigns, links, and rotators. Then in the tools you can set up little pixels, and then build like a little conversion pixel, an engagement pixel, sales pixel. You can pretty much get advanced as you want. Record phone sales, post back URLs, which is for affiliate marketing. Then you've got IP tools, group managers, so you can have different groups. So you can have like a main group and then a subgroup, and then create that main group as a funnel, and then when you go into a subgroup you just go create funnel and link, boom, and you can make unlimited amounts of links all go into that one funnel with one click of a mouse, which is super cool. Then you can set up with funnels, and that's the domain manager I talked about there earlier, and then all different stuff. So this is basically how you can track your traffic, my friend, and you can track click-throughs on your blog and clicks on emails and things like that there. And this is what I had to share with you, my friend, because I know that there's not really a big category king out there when it comes to click tracking software, and there's not a lot of people know about this type of stuff because nobody's aware of it. But I noticed that you might have been searching out, or you came across this video, or you're from my email list, and you watched this video and you want to know how can you track website traffic. My friend, this is how you can track website traffic, is using a click tracking software, which I'll leave the link to below. I'm an affiliate for it. If you decide to use the software, I'll make a little commission, and if you decide to use the software as well, I'm actually bringing out a Conversion Kings course which goes into depth in all different aspects of creating a conversion in your internet business. And it's not just from using tracking software, but it will be in all different areas. So how do you actually build a landing page that converts and things like this here, and it'll be going into that there type of stuff. If you're interested in that, I will give you that there additional bonus on top of the software if you decide to get it, my friends. So we'll leave the links below. You can have a look at the click tracking guide and have a look into that there if you're already doing something online. And also, like, even if you're just wanting to have a look at it, like, even if you just go in, it's a free trial, you don't have to pay anything and like that there, and you can get loose using this here for 30 days and see if it's for you. If it's not for you at the end of it, that's alright, but hopefully with the Conversion Kings course, I'll show you how you can actually use this software and increase the conversions in your internet business. So that's what I wanted to do for you in this video, my friend. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel or anything like that there. We're continuing bringing out videos like this all the time, all about internet marketing, website traffic, tracking, and all this type of stuff, my friend. So if you want, you can go and have a look at that below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.